GameStop and AMC Entertainment short sellers have lost over $5 billion in just the past 48 hours. Now, both AMC as well as GameStop are up over 130% today, adding another $14.5 billion to market cap, and GameStop is now officially one of the 500 largest companies in the US. I got some alpha on the charts that we're going to talk about in a minute, but I want to get a couple things clear. This is not over. First of all, this morning AMC Entertainment announced they would be raising $250 million in equity. And over the last 2 days, AMC and GameStop together have added over $20 billion in market cap, which is truly insane. That is right. AMC ended up diluting $250 million worth of shares amid this run. But this is something that we want to see if they're going to dilute anyway. Dilute on an uptrend. Now, according to a previous SEC report, GameStop short sellers have never closed their positions in 2021. This also goes for AMC. I want to let you guys know, everyone's talking about GameStop only has a 20% short interest. That is not the case. What it was reported back in 2021 was still incorrect, and we were not reported the correct short interest, and we know that. This also doesn't account for any sort of fake shares, any sort of short exempt, or anything along the lines of that. However, short sellers are not giving up. GameStop and AMC were halted over 8 times already on the trading day today. And before we get into the charts, I want to point out to you how short sellers are fighting against this, but are they going to win is the question. Every time they halt, we get a new dark pool print, 827K at 970. See the pattern. Then you got another 1 mil print at 1043. Every time they halt, you see dark pool prints coming in to knock the price down as soon as that halt is relieved. Not only that, but there are some questions that authorities should step in. Should the government intervene in the GameStop rally right now? Last but not least, this is, excuse my language once again, fucking insane. 7.179 million short exempt volume on AMC. Absolutely disgusting. We said we need to see what data comes out tomorrow on AMC and GameStop to see if short sellers are going to fight this rally or are they going to cover. They are fighting the rally. This is a dangerous game. The reason it's a dangerous game for them is because Roaring Kitty continues to tweet. This is just getting started. I'm going to tell you right now, this could be bigger than last time. Okay, 7 million short exempt volume, and then you look at GameStop. GameStop also had 1.161 million short exempt volume. I guarantee tomorrow, reported for today for AMC and GameStop, it's going to be more than double. Okay, 287,000 calls expiring in the money for AMC, 270,000 calls expiring in the money for GameStop. And your gains are probably looking something like this if you are an options holder on AMC and GameStop. I'm going to tell you, I'll show the gain right on the screen of just the last contract that I ended up closing today. And if you're not in Discord, get in there because I post my trades as soon as I take them. You would have had calls with me on Friday coming into this week. And before we get into the charts, I'm going to let you know ahead of time, I'm looking for a re-entry. And I'm going to show you where. Now, the charts. This is a very, very similar pattern. GameStop is up 70%, trading at $52.10, came all the way up to $65. And in after hours pre-market trading, right, it was up higher than that, all the way to 80 on the dot, and it got smacked back down, opening up around 65. Okay, take a look at this channel. Take a look at this trend. This is our quote-unquote squeeze that is happening right now. This is apparently a broken chart. Okay, it kicked me off my time frame that I had back in 2021, but I'll pull up a screenshot right in front of you guys just to show you. Okay, let me look at the screenshot right here. This is the same exact pattern that GameStop had before or during the last squeeze. This is the same thing. This is the same run up. Don't get scared. We need to attempt at least to break them this time around. We didn't wait 3 years for nothing. This is going to have a retracement, and it's going to be ugly. It may last till the end of day today. It may come for tomorrow. However, this is going to have another leg up, in my opinion. Now, nothing I say is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. And GameStop, same exact setup back here. This open of the candle, the bottom of the candle to where it closed, right? The top of the candle to where it closed, down 39%. GameStop, if that were to do the same thing, watch for a retracement anywhere between $40 and $38. That's what I'm watching for, a full retracement to. Now, it doesn't have to get there, but I just want to point that out. AMC, gapped up, looking beautiful, up a total of almost 335%, which is this first fib level. You can see that right here on the 1 hour time frame a little bit better, okay? AMC, same thing. I'm going to pull up the chart right in front of you because I have a screenshot of it. This is where it was up 335%. So it's very similar. It's not exact, but it shows that it may have more room to come. Now, again, the stock was diluted. It was split. So just keep that in mind as well. As of right now, GameStop is looking like it has a better setup. AMC playing out the same exact formation that it did back in 2021. Also, last thing that I wanted to note with AMC is the fib level is perfectly drawn out to where AMC actually ended up coming up to, which is right above $13, okay? Next level, as soon as AMC breaks over, is $19.95. Okay, so basically $20. Once this pullback happens and AMC starts to gain more momentum, you're looking at $20 a share. Now, they have been trading extreme volume, 187 million yesterday on GameStop, and now we are already surpassing 100 million. AMC, 522 million, and now we're already over 300 million. We need to continue to keep the ball rolling, but in the right direction. If volume starts to fade today, less than yesterday's volume, but it's a pullback, that's a good thing to see. Then we want to see volume pick up, reverse again to the upside, and that is something that we're watching now. Money-making opportunity that I wanted to point out to you guys. Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic. What is different this time with these? Because AMC and GameStop took off, but everything else didn't really take off. Now, the mark, in my opinion, is going to climb higher. Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, Dogecoin, crypto. Crypto as a whole, in my opinion, is about to get a leg higher. I think crypto as a whole is going to follow AMC and GameStop, and short sellers are giving us a warning that this is about to happen. Now, I will have another video for you guys maybe later, if not tomorrow, but I need to cover more on AMC and GameStop. There's just too much to cover here. If you want to talk with me on the daily and have someone to talk to where I don't have to wait to put something out on YouTube to get it up to you guys, check this link. Second link, Discord server. I post my trades as soon as I take them. We have options trading alerts, and we always talk stocks and crypto. Best vibes, best people in there. There are no bad questions. Get in there, guys. Do not sleep on it. The first link for Moomoo. If you open an account using the broker for Moomoo and make a deposit through my link, you're going to get up to 10 free fractional shares of the Magnificent 7, in which you could sell potentially to get into AMC or GameStop. Nothing I say is financial advice, just a thought that I would do, that I have done. Overall, free money. Go do that. They're also giving you level 2 order book data for free, access to trading options, going long, going short, viewing other exchanges, and more. Guys, remember, short sellers are not giving up, but they are down $5 billion, and this rally may just continue higher. That is what I got for you for now. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. We are almost at 20K subs. I appreciate all the support, and drop a comment down below. Meow for Roaring Kitty. That is it. I love you all. Lottery Stocks out.